This is fascinating stuff. The emerging field of artificial intelligence, we see it in everything from entertainment to robotics and now advancement in construction.
Construction faster, cheaper, and safer. The autonomous drone can survey the entire 90-acre site in 25 minutes.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of construction, where innovation is transforming how buildings are designed, constructed, and managed. From 3D printing entire structures to smart buildings that think for themselves, these technologies are reshaping the construction industry into a more sustainable and efficient powerhouse. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 most innovative construction technologies that are changing the world as we know it. Let's get started. First up is 3D printing, a technology that's been making headlines across industries, but its impact on construction is truly groundbreaking. Imagine printing an entire house or building components on-site layer by layer. 3D printing allows for the creation of complex designs that would be difficult or impossible with traditional construction methods. Not only does it reduce waste by using only the materials needed, but it also significantly cuts down on labor costs and construction time. In places like China and the Netherlands, entire neighborhoods are being built using 3D printing technology. This method is not only faster, but also more cost-effective, making it a viable solution for affordable housing. As the technology evolves, we could see 3D printing becoming the norm in construction, especially in areas with labor shortages or challenging environmental conditions. Next, we have modular construction, which is all about building sections or modules off-site in a factory setting, and then transporting them to the construction site for assembly. This method offers several advantages, including faster construction times and improved quality control, since the modules are built in a controlled environment. One of the most impressive aspects of modular construction is its ability to minimize disruption on-site. Traditional construction can be noisy and messy, but with modular construction, most of the work is done off-site, meaning less noise and pollution at the actual location. This method has been gaining traction for everything from residential houses to large-scale commercial projects, and it's easy to see why. Modular construction also supports greater flexibility in design, allowing for easy customization and future expansion, which is increasingly important in a world where adaptability is key. Imagine a world where buildings and infrastructure could repair themselves. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, with self-healing concrete, that's exactly what's happening. This innovative material is infused with bacteria that produce limestone when water enters a crack, effectively sealing it and preventing further damage. Self-healing concrete can dramatically extend the lifespan of structures and reduce maintenance costs. This technology is particularly beneficial in regions prone to earthquakes or extreme weather conditions, where traditional concrete would be more susceptible to damage. As this technology becomes more widespread, it could revolutionize how we approach the longevity and durability of our buildings. The environmental benefits are also notable. Less frequent repairs mean fewer resources used over time, contributing to the sustainability of infrastructure. Augmented reality, or AR, is another game-changing technology in construction. AR allows workers and designers to visualize projects in real time, providing a digital overlay that can be seen through specialized glasses or even a smartphone. This technology is particularly useful for planning and on-site construction, offering a clear view of how different components fit together and assisting with precise measurements. AR enhances collaboration by allowing multiple team members to view and interact with the project simultaneously, reducing errors and improving accuracy. Whether it's checking measurements or visualizing design changes on the fly, AR is set to become an essential tool in the construction industry. The use of AR in training scenarios also allows workers to simulate tasks in a controlled environment, improving safety and efficiency on actual job sites. Building Information Modeling, or BMI, is a digital representation of a building's physical and functional characteristics. It's a collaborative tool used throughout the entire life cycle of a building, from design and construction to maintenance and operations. BIM allows all stakeholders to work from the same data, improving communication and reducing the likelihood of costly errors. The real power of BIM lies in its ability to integrate information from various disciplines into a single model. This holistic approach allows for better decision-making, as everyone involved in the project can see the impact of changes in real time. BIM not only streamlines the construction process, but also enhances the long-term management of the buildings, making it a cornerstone of modern construction practices. Moreover, BIM's predictive capabilities can help identify potential issues before they become problems, saving time and money in the long run. Automation is revolutionizing industries across the board, and construction is no exception. Robots are now being used for tasks like bricklaying, concrete pouring, and even on-site inspections. These robots increase efficiency, reduce human error, and improve safety by taking on some of the most dangerous tasks on a construction site. With the use of robotics, construction sites are becoming more automated, leading to a faster project completion and lower costs. As robots become more advanced, we can expect them to take on increasingly complex tasks, further transforming the construction landscape. The integration of AI with robotics is pushing the envelope even further, allowing for more adaptive and responsive construction processes that can adjust to real-time challenges. Drones have quickly become an invaluable tool in construction, offering a bird's-eye view that was previously difficult or impossible to obtain. They're used for site surveying, inspections, and monitoring construction progress, providing high-resolution images and data that can be analyzed to ensure everything is on track. Drones significantly reduce the time needed for surveys and inspections, while also enhancing safety by allowing workers to inspect hard-to-reach areas remotely. The data collected by drones can be used to create detailed 3D models of the site, which are invaluable for planning and decision-making. In addition, drones are increasingly being equipped with thermal imaging and other sensors, providing insights into the structural integrity of buildings and identifying potential issues that might not be visible to the naked eye. Smart buildings are the future of construction, integrating IoT, which is the Internet of Things technology, to create responsive and adaptive environments. These buildings are equipped with sensors that monitor everything from temperature and lighting to security and energy usage. The data collected is used to optimize the building's performance, creating a more comfortable and efficient space for occupants. Smart buildings are not only more energy efficient, but they also offer enhanced security and comfort. Imagine a building that automatically adjusts its settings based on who's inside, or alerts you to potential maintenance issues before they become serious problems. As IoT technology continues to evolve, smart buildings will become increasingly common, offering a glimpse into the future of construction. These smart systems also contribute to significant cost savings by reducing energy consumption and extending the life of building components. Traditional building materials are being replaced by advanced alternatives that offer superior performance in terms of strength, insulation, and sustainability. Materials like aerogels are incredibly lightweight, yet provide excellent insulation, making them ideal for energy-efficient buildings. Graphene, another wonder material, is super strong and lightweight, used in coatings and composites that enhance durability. Phase change materials, or PCMs, are also making waves in construction. These materials absorb or release heat during phase transitions, helping to maintain a stable temperature inside buildings. These innovations not only improve the performance of buildings but also contribute to sustainability by reducing energy consumption. The development of these materials is driven by the need for buildings that are not just strong and durable, but also capable of meeting the increasing demands for energy efficiency and environmental responsibility. Finally, we have green construction technologies, which are all about reducing the environmental impact of buildings. From green roofs that provide insulation and absorb rainwater, to solar panels that generate clean energy, these technologies are essential for sustainable development. Materials like bamboo are also gaining popularity as sustainable alternatives to traditional building materials. Bamboo is strong, lightweight, and fast-growing, making it an eco-friendly choice for construction. As the world moves towards a greener future, these technologies will play a crucial role in reducing the carbon footprint of the construction industry. The push towards net zero buildings, which produce as much energy as they consume, is increasingly becoming a reality thanks to these advancements in green construction technologies. As we've seen, the construction industry is undergoing a technological revolution. These innovations are not only making construction faster and more efficient, but are also paving the way for a more sustainable future. From 3D printing and modular construction to smart buildings and green technologies, the future of construction looks bright and is happening right now. The combined effect of these technologies is not just a transformation in how buildings are constructed, but also in how they perform, how long they last, and how they impact the environment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in construction technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments which technology you think will have the biggest impact on the future of construction. See you in the next video.